Welcome to my channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are doing well. This is Mohammed Saqib and we are learning Python programming language. So next operators are in and not in. In function in string function that is used to check if some word is inside the string or not. For example, I love programming. I want to check that is love present in this string, or I present in this string, or programming is present in that string. I will simply write if love in, for example, whatever string. Okay, similarly not in. Okay, both are same. If I want to check love is present in that string, I will use in function, in keyword. Okay, and if I use to check it's not present, I will use not in. Let's check it. Here we will check. I will create another column. I will take that example. Okay, now let's check. I want to check if love is present or not. I'm writing love, for example, love in x means that if love is present in x, let's check what will output. You can see true. True means yes, love is present in x. For example, I'm writing anything else. For example, like in x. What do you think? It will be true or false? Let's check it. Yeah, it's false. Why? Because like is not in that particular string. Now if I'm writing like not in, okay, I want to check that if it is not in string, now it must be true. Let's check it. Okay, so in and not in is clear to you. This is I use without print statement, but you can't use it in another compiler. This is the Jupyter notebook. This is very intelligent, but you need to do it using print statement if you are using another compiler. Okay, like that, you can see true is printed. So this is very important concept that you will be using in our future when we will be developing large applications. Okay, in and not in. When we are going to check, for example, password, and we want to check that if some character is in password. For example, sometime you go to website, you see that there are different passwords. You need to check if there are characters, and for example, in email you need to check @ symbol. So this concept is used in and not in. Okay. Next one is the percentage used for formatting. Okay, like if you know C programming language, you know that %d, %f, %s, these are used to format the string. Okay, for example, you want to print the string in some you want to print string, you will use %s. If you want to print a number, you will use %d. These are identifier for print statement. Okay, and next one is plus and plus, and second next one is static. These are very important. Let's check it by doing. We need to create another column. I will, for example, I will create first name and last name. First name is equal to, for example, Muhammad. Okay, and last name is equal to Saqib. Look, this is a better way of writing variable. This is conventional. Okay, means these are best practice, but we are practicing. We can use fn and ln for better and fast learning. First, fn means first name, ln means last name. We will assign value using equal to operator. Okay, so one second. Yeah, first name is equal to, you can write Muhammad, and last name you can write it Saqib. Okay, so I want to concatenate these two into full name. Okay, full name. For example, fln is equal to, what I will do, I will write fn first name plus ln last name. Now I want to print it. Okay, print full name fln. What it will print? Muhammad Saqib. You can see they are concatenated without space, but you know in name it must be a space. What we will do, first name, then we will add a space. Plus is used to concatenate or to combine two strings. Okay, two strings, remember, plus last name. Okay, last name. So now you will see that's printed beautifully. This is for plus operator in string. Okay, and next one is the multiply operator, like steric operator. Okay, steric operator means that you can multiply that. For example, I have x is equal to, you can see exclamation marks. Okay, I have two exclamation marks, but I want to print it 10 times. What I will do, I will do print x multiply by 10. Now you will see it will be 20 exclamation marks. We don't need to write it 20 times. Yeah, look it, that's called static. Okay, that multiplies the string. Okay, how many times you want, it will be multiplied or duplicated. Okay, that's clear. So next, replace method. This used to replace something in the your you can say code in your text. For example, you have text like I like, for example, like programming. You want to replace like with love. What will do, you will do new string is equal to old string dot replace. What to replace, you will need to write first like, then need to love. You will practice it yourself. If you have any issue, tell me. Okay, next one is upper and lowercase string. Okay, that's very important. Let's check it. If you want to convert any string to uppercase, you will write upper method, or you can also use capitalize method. And if you want to convert the string into lowercase, you will use dot lower method. Okay, and similarly you need if you want to join using join to string, then you can use like join method. Okay, let's check it. And next one is split string. You want to split a bigger string into smaller chunks. For example, you have big word. For example, word is equal to, you can see there are three words. You want to split using what? Using space, because these words are separated using space. This is a same reverse string. I told another method using slashing. You put -1 at the end, it was reversed, but you can also use reversed method. Okay, using reversed method you can also print a string. Let's quickly check it, the upper and lower. For example, I have lower string, right, a b c d. I want to print it in upper. What you will do, you will do print x dot upper. Okay, this method is used to convert a string into the uppercase. You can see that's converted into the upper. Similarly, if I have for example upper string, I can convert it into the lower using x dot lower. Okay, that will convert it into the lower case. Okay, then we learned about split. For example, x is equal to let's pick this one. X is equal to, I love programming. You want to split it. What you will do, you will do print x dot split. What it will show, you will see it and you will learn it better. You can see that's divided into 4 parts, and you can split it using space or using anything. For example, by default it is split using space. Okay, but if I have like this, I comma love comma, now it is not separated using a for example, I am not writing anything. You will see it is not converted into chunks, but I need to write inside this function comma. Now if I run it, you can see it's divided into 3 parts. Okay, similarly reversed and everything that you need to practice whatever we learned today. And in next class we will be learning further, and we will be doing most important thing. This class I try to finish it earlier. I try to tell you almost all the method and slicing. That was a big topic, slicing. Okay, I tried to cover in small less time. Okay, so I hope you will you must practice all the method that I told you, and other methods we will be covering in next lecture. We will be further learning different data type like list, tuples, dictionary. That will be very high level and will be important for you. Okay, today you must learn it. Print statement, in, not in, or like rewards, split, everything you must be learning. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Take care. Thank you.